how's that poor? That's a happy mountain, man. That's a happy mountain.
See, you try to tell them he hate, but they won't. Now here's the important pauku. Aku bahagia oleh kuliah hele po ina oleh halava kuwa boy mate means I want it and I want it now. Oh, it's
Beautiful.
As they say for the road.
Yeah.